Alright guys, so now that you've all had time to work together in pairs, you guys all had time to discuss these questions, these 5 W's, or at least hopefully the 4 that we didn't cover together. Now that you've had time to discuss it and I've been able to check in with you guys, let's go ahead and talk about it as a class. So I want to ask you guys these questions and have you guys give me some responses, okay? So let's go ahead and start with who. When talking about click, clack, boo, how can you answer this first question, who? When you're talking about describing a story, this story, how would you answer this question, who? Okay, Calvin? Perfect. Who? Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown's a main character. We want to talk about main characters. That's great. Farmer Brown. Who else is the story about, guys? The animals on his farm. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to write Farmer Brown and the animals. Okay. What about what, guys? What is the story about? How would you answer this question, guys? Okay, Juliet? Good. A party. Just like our response from the video we watched before. A party, okay? The story, what is the story about? It's about a Halloween party. Okay, what about when, guys? When does this story take place? How do we answer this question? When? Perfect, George. Halloween, yes. Halloween, was it daytime? Halloween night. Perfect, good job. Okay, guys, and let's think about where. Where does the story take place? What do you guys think? What's the first image that comes to mind? Betsy? Thank you for raising your hand. Perfect, yes. Farm, barn, Farmer Brown's farm, whatever it is. But basically it takes place on a farm. And the party takes place more specifically inside the barn. Okay, so I'll just put barn for now. Okay, guys, and then we kind of spoke about the why before. Why did the author write this story? It's a, fun Halloween story about animals throwing a Halloween party and wanting to invite the owner of the farm, Farmer Brown. Okay, so we've discussed that, and let's now think about what we're going to do next. So you guys are going to get a chance to work independently for a little while.